Ready to create your first co-marketing SMS offer on Barika? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll have a live offer ready to reach new customers through the Barika intelligence engine. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have everything ready. First, you'll need to complete your brand profile. That's your brand name, logo, and business details. Second, your brand needs to be verified through our Brand Trust Center. This helps maintain trust between brands across the platform. If you signed up through one of our third-party platform integrations, such as Klaviyo, Shopify, and others, you're already verified, so you can skip this step. While you're in the Trust Center, you'll also set up your brand safety and trust preferences, things like which categories you want to match with, any brands you'd like to include or exclude, and your geographic targeting. These preferences help Match Fabric find the right partner matches for your offers. Third, you'll need to set up your wallet with auto top-up enabled. This is how you pay for offer distribution. It's a pay-as-you-go model. And finally, you need at least one campaign created. If you haven't done that yet, head to Brand Offers, then Campaigns, and click Create Campaign. Campaigns help you organize and track your offers. Got all that sorted? Great. Let's create your first SMS offer. There are 3 ways to start. On your dashboard, click the Create Brand Offers card. Or in Quick Actions at the bottom of the dashboard, click Create Offer. You can also use the sidebar. Just click Brand Offer Center. All 3 options take you to the Brand Offer Center. For this video, we'll use the first route by clicking the Create Brand Offers card. Once you're in the Brand Offer Center, click Create Offer. A pop-up will ask you to choose the messaging channel for your offer. Select SMS. You'll be taken straight to the SMS offer creation workflow. Open each accordion to reveal the details of each section and ensure to complete all the required details. First, you'll review your brand details. Your brand name is pulled directly from your account settings, so you don't need to type it in. Just confirm it looks correct. If you need to change it, there's a link that takes you straight to your settings. Next, choose which campaign this offer belongs to. Just select one from the drop-down. This helps you keep related offers together for easier tracking and reporting. Now, let's tell Barika what your offer is about. Start by telling Barika whether the offer you're promoting is a product or a service. For the purpose of this demo, let's pick a service. Now indicate what type of offer incentive you are promoting. You've got 5 options: contest and giveaways, discount, exclusive access, free perks, or rewards. Pick the one that fits best. Let's pick free perks. Now we're getting to the heart of your offer. This is where you build the details. Start by selecting the service your offer applies to. Let's select entertainment and events. And in the service field, select events. This immediately displays the target sectors your offer will be exposed to. Based on our selections, Match Fabric, Barika's AI matching orchestrator, will attempt to match this offer with hospitality and events-related SMS messages. This is where the natural fit is. Next, enter the name of the service that should be displayed in the SMS message. For example, summer concert. Next, describe your benefit. Remember that the benefit must match the incentive type you selected earlier. So in our case, let's type free tickets on. As you type, watch as the offer teaser field display a preview of the full SMS message. Next, provide your offer redemption details. Let's start with how customers will redeem your offer. You have 4 options. Online only is for digital products. Things like e-learning courses, software, or digital gift cards. Ships to customer address is for physical products you ship from your online store. In-store is for offers redeemed at a physical location, like a restaurant or a retail shop. And all of the above covers everything. Based on your selection, you'll configure the details. For online offers, you can toggle available worldwide or choose specific countries. For shipping, select the countries you deliver to. For in-store, search for and add your physical locations. For this video, we'll select online only. We will choose 2 countries where this offer is available: United Kingdom and United States. Now provide a URL where customers can learn more about your offer. If there are any conditions to redeem your offer, like for example, early arrivals only, add that to the conditions field. Next, take a moment to see transactional moments your offers will be matched with. These include things like order confirmations, loyalty membership updates, or delivery notifications. All of them are selected by default to maximize your reach, but you can opt out of up to 2 if needed. Now your full offer is ready to be previewed. This is the exact offer content that will be added to the transactional SMS messages that will be sent to customers. Scheduling is optional, but it gives you control over timing. If you want your offer to go live immediately and run indefinitely, just leave these fields blank. But if you want to schedule it, say for a seasonal promotion, set a start date for when the offer becomes active and an end date for when it should expire. You're almost done. Now you have 2 options. If you're not quite ready to submit, click Save as Draft. You can come back and edit it anytime. All you need for a draft is an offer type selected. When you're ready to go live, click Create Offer. This triggers our full validation process. Your offer passes through our content safety review, which checks for inappropriate content, validates your URL, and scans for any policy issues. Once approved, your offer enters the live pool and becomes eligible for matching with host partners across the Barika partnership network. And that's it. You've just created your first SMS offer on Barika. That's the power of co-marketing with Barika. Real brand partnerships, real customer engagement, and AI-powered intelligence at every step. From here, the Barika intelligence engine takes over. Match Fabric, the AI that powers our matching logic, analyzes your offer against thousands of host partner emails, finding the right moments to place your offer where it feels natural, trusted, and high intent. Thank you for watching.